There's something that happens in dementia caregiving that feels terrifying when it shows up. Things have been changing slowly, and then suddenly everything changes all at once. They stop walking, they stop talking, they seem drastically more confused overnight, and in that moment, many care partners have the same thought. Did I miss something? Today, I want to walk you through what this actually means, because this is one of the most important moments to not assume it's just dementia. Hi, for those of you who are new here, my name is Dr. Sinclair. I'm a neuropsychologist, dementia care specialist, and founder of the Confident Caregiver Academy. Let's jump on in. Core rule. Here's the rule I want you to hold on to. Dementia causes gradual change. Sudden change requires investigation. Let me say that again, because it's very important, because so many care partners get stuck here. Dementia progresses, but it does not typically cause someone to lose multiple abilities overnight. From a neuropsychological standpoint, dementia is a chronic, progressive condition. That means changes happen slowly, unevenly, and over time. But when something shifts suddenly, care partners, you have to start thinking a bit differently. Think of the brain with dementia like a system running on very limited reserve. It's already working harder to do basic things, already compensating, already fragile, and when something new hits, the system doesn't bend, it collapses. That's why care partners often say, it felt like everything changed overnight. And they're right, because something did shift overnight, but it just wasn't dementia alone. What's actually happening? So when you see sudden confusion, sudden inability to walk, sudden incontinence, sudden withdrawal, they're different than they usually are. What you're often seeing is the brain under acute stress on top of an already vulnerable system. The three real categories to keep in mind. I want to simplify this for you because most explanations feel overwhelming. Instead of thinking of 6 or 7 causes for their shift, I want you to think of 3 categories that can bring about the acute stress. First category, infection or medical illness. The first category is one that gets missed all the time, infection or an underlying medical illness. Things like urinary tract infection, pneumonia, an ear infection, a sinus infection, even skin conditions can get missed. But here's what's really important to understand. In older adults, especially those with dementia, these symptoms don't always show up in the way that you expect. They don't show up in the way that they show up for you or for me. They may not have fever. They may not say that they're in pain. Instead, it shows up as confusion, sudden fatigue, a shift in their personality. They just don't seem quite like themselves today. In fact, sometimes the first sign of an infection is a sudden change in their behavior. And because of that, it often gets mistaken for dementia getting worse. But not every change in behavior is dementia. Sometimes it's the body crying out, asking for help. Second category, brain events. The second category is one to never ignore, brain events. Things like a stroke or what we call TIA, some people refer to that as a mini stroke. These can affect things like balance, movement, speech, and coordination. So when a care partner says they were walking yesterday and now they're not, that's not solely dementia. That could be a red flag, care partner, because dementia, again, typically changes things gradually. It doesn't cause someone to lose the ability to walk overnight. And if that's what you're noticing, that type of sudden change, then that needs medical attention right away. Third category, system disruption. And the third category is what I call system disruption. This is where smaller changes in the body start to add up. Things like medication changes, dehydration, electrolyte imbalances, untreated pain, think arthritic pain, or even just not moving around as much as they typically do. And here's the key. Each of these might be small on their own, easy to overlook, easy to dismiss. But when the brain is already fragile, even a small disruption can create a big change. So it's not always one big thing like a stroke. Sometimes it's the combination of all of those little things adding up. The system simply can't handle it any longer. And that's when you start to see confusion, more agitation, or a sudden shift in their functioning, their personality. In a fragile brain, small stressors don't stay small. This is something I really want you to understand. Dementia lowers the brain's ability to compensate. So if you take nothing else from today, I want you to take that. So something that might feel minor in a healthy adult can create a massive, major decline in someone with dementia. That's why this feels so sudden. It's not that nothing was happening, it's that the system couldn't handle one more thing on top of how vulnerable and fragile it already is. So in summary, care partners, most sudden changes fall into one of three categories. Something happening in the body, like an illness or infection, something happening in the brain, like a stroke or TIA, or something disrupting the overall system, like dehydration, medication changes, or pain. And when you start to look at these sudden changes through these lenses, then it stops feeling random, it stops feeling like just dementia, and you're able to respond appropriately. Quick pause, care partners. If this is helping you to make sense of what you're seeing, or if this is preparing you, then please go ahead and like and subscribe to this channel. It allows other care partners to find this sort of help as well. Thank you. This segues well into what to do now. What to do. So now the question becomes, what do you actually do when you notice a sudden change? Because in that moment, it's easy to panic, or as I mentioned before, easy to assume it's dementia progressing, but now you know differently. So instead of reacting right away, I want you to slow down and think through these 3 simple steps. Step 1, trust the change. First, trust what you're seeing. If something feels different, it probably is. You know your person with dementia's baseline better than anyone else, so trust your gut. Step 2, name it clearly. Step 2 is to mentally run through those 3 categories we talked about. Could this be something in the body, like an illness or infection? Could this be something occurring in the brain, like stroke or TIA, particularly if your person has vascular dementia? Or could this be a system disruption? Did they get their medication yesterday? Did they get enough water? Are they in pain? You don't need to have the answer, care partners. You are going to go to the providers to be able to narrow all of these variables down. Asking yourself these questions help you to better partner with your provider. And I absolutely do recommend, if you notice a sudden shift in your person with dementia, to please contact their provider. And when you do, you may want to use language like this. This is a sudden change from their baseline. That sentence matters because it signals that this isn't their typical progression. There's something deeper going on here, which then leads us to step 3. Step 3, ask for an evaluation. Ask for a full medical evaluation. You are looking for infection screening, medication review, labs, possible imaging. You're not looking to be there just for reassurance. You're looking for an evaluation. Step 4, don't accept, oh, it's just dementia. If no evaluation has been done and there is a sudden change in your loved one's cognitive status, do not accept, oh, it's just dementia worsening, because sometimes that's not the full picture. In fact, oftentimes a sudden change is not just dementia. And I want to say something important here because I know that some of you struggle with advocacy, advocating for your person with dementia. You know what's normal for them and you know when something's changed. Advocating does not mean you're difficult. It makes you attentive. And for those of you who are watching right now who've missed a red flag in the past, feel free to share your experiences down below. I know for some of you, you're thinking, I should have caught that sooner, but I want to be clear about this. You did not fail. Dementia makes everything harder to interpret. It blurs the picture. You are doing the best that you can in a situation that is incredibly complex. I just hope that this video makes it a bit easier for you to spot next time. And for those of you who've not had these crises yet, great, now you know what to look for. When you remember that the brain is already running on limited reserves, you stop assuming that everything is just a progression to the next stage and you start asking those very important questions. What else could be putting stress on their system right now? So if something changes suddenly, pause, pay attention, and say something, especially to the provider, because dementia progresses, as you've learned today, but sudden decline deserves investigation. And if you're new here and you're finding yourself thinking, I need help to understand what's happening and what's going to come next, I've put together a useful tool for you. It's linked below. It's called the Dementia Starter Kit. Feel free to grab that. It walks you through how dementia is changing the brain and key points to understand. And make sure to check out some of my videos on bathroom changes and shower resistance. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.